On the table. On the table. The book is on the table. Above the door. Above the door. The clock is above the door. Under the table. Under the table. The cat is under the table. In the box. In the box. The toy is in the box. Beside the chair. Beside the chair. The bag is beside the chair. Within the box. Within the box. The gift is within the box. Of the book. Of the book. The cover of the book is red. Below the fan. Below the fan. The table is below the fan. Across the road. Across the road. The school is across the road. Over the river. Over the river. The bridge is over the river. Near the school. Near the school. The shop is near the school. Inside. Inside the bag. The phone is inside the bag. Between the chairs. Between the chairs. The table is between the chairs. Into the room. Into the room. The dog goes into the room. Opposite the bank. Opposite the bank. The shop is opposite the bank. In front of the house. In front of the house. The tree is in front of the house. Around the park. Around the park. The fence is around the park. Against the wall. Against the wall. The bike is against the wall. To the market. To the market. I go to the market. After the game. After the game. We rest after the game. From the shop. From the shop. I buy it from the shop. At night. At night, I sleep at night. Before the meeting. Before the meeting, I arrive before the meeting. Up the hill. Up the hill. The boy walks up the hill. Down the stairs. The girl walks down the stairs. Out of the room. Out of the room. Out of the room. The boy comes out of the room. Since morning. Since morning. I work since morning. Outside the house. Outside the house. The dog is outside the house. Through the tunnel. Through the tunnel. The train is through the tunnel. Behind the house. Behind the house. The car is behind the house. For 2 hours. For 2 hours. I study for 2 hours. Toward the door. Toward the door. The man walks toward the door. Among the students. Among the students. The teacher is among the students.